I'm finally ready to let you in on the secret. We're looking at 15 of the wildest things I've found, and honestly, I'd bet you haven't even heard of half of these. Let's get into it. Number 15. Mini Drill Pen. Think it's just a pen? Think again. This tiny tool is actually a precision power drill. The Aromax Mini Drill Pen makes working on jewelry, wood, plastic, even circuit boards super easy. It's got 5-speed control, so every cut or drill is smooth and exact. Plus an OLED display and LED lights, so you can see what you're doing without squinting or guessing. USB-C rechargeable, ultra-portable, and with bits that swap in seconds, this little gadget turns tricky DIY jobs into a breeze. Small, handy, and precise, perfect for crafters, tinkerers, or anyone who loves getting things done right. Number 14. Shoe Dryer. Got wet shoes from rain, snow, or a long day out? Don't wear soggy shoes tomorrow. The portable shoe dryer gently blows warm, silent air through your sneakers or boots, drying them overnight without shrinking or damaging them. Perfect for home or even in your car. It works on work boots, ski boots, and even gloves. Just pop it in, switch it on, and forget about it. No noise, no smell, no damp mornings. Your shoes are ready before you are. Number 13. Cino Printer GO. Let's decorate lattes, desserts, or any drink with custom images, logos, or text, edible ink. No mess and done in seconds. Cafes use it to brand their drinks. Party hosts use it to impress guests, and creators use it to make content that goes viral. No special skills needed. Just hit print and watch your food turn into an instant showstopper. Number 12. Fingerprint Gun Safe. This opens in under half a second. Just place your finger on the scanner and go. Don't want to use your fingerprint? No problem. There's a pin and backup key too. Plus, the top doubles as a wireless charger for your phone and smartwatch, keeping your essentials powered without any extra cables. It even shows time, temperature, humidity, and battery like a mini smart hub. Silent mode, interior LEDs, and one-touch access make it sleek, safe, and ready for anything. One device, total peace of mind. Number 11. Divoom Timesgate. Is your desk feeling dull? The Divoom Timesgate is here to change that. This cyberpunk-inspired digital clock doesn't just tell time, it brings your workspace to life. It has 5 bright pixel screens that can display animations, live time, weather updates, and notifications, all controlled right from your phone. Number 10. Canslab Ultrablade. Ever nicked your finger just trying to open a can? Yeah, we've all been there. Meet the Canslab Ultrablade. A one-touch electric can opener that does all the work for you. It automatically cuts the side of the can, leaving a smooth, safe edge. No sharp lids, no mess, no stress. USB rechargeable, whisper quiet, and lightning fast. It can handle over 100 cans on a single charge. Perfect for busy kitchens, seniors, or anyone who's tired of struggling with old-school openers. Number 9. Baseus Travel Plug. All-in-one power solution that works in over 200 countries, from Europe to the US, UK, Asia, and Australia. It's got a built-in USB-C cable with 45-watt fast charging and can power up to 6 devices at once: phone, tablet, laptop, earbuds, you name it. Small, lightweight, and pocket-ready, It packs enough power to keep your whole setup charged without the mess. Say goodbye to cable chaos and dead batteries. This is the travel gadget you'll actually use on every trip. Number 8. Digital Wall Clock. Upgrade your space with a timepiece that prioritizes visibility and versatility. This 13.7-inch digital clock functions as a central hub for your day, offering temperature readings, countdown timers, and dual alarm settings. Designed to adapt to your environment, it features an automatic brightness sensor and a convenient remote control. Perfect for classrooms, offices, or bedrooms, it combines sleek aesthetics. Number 7. Kineon Move. You're feeling the weight of a long day at the office or the burn of a heavy gym session. By using targeted red light and infrared laser therapy, it doesn't just sit on the surface, it reaches deep into the tissue to quiet down inflammation and kickstart your body's natural healing. Number 6. Driveway Alarm. Ever wish you could hear your driveway at night? This wireless driveway alarm does exactly that. The second a car or person rolls in, it lets you know instantly. It works up to half a mile away, spotting movement from 50 feet out, and doesn't care about rain, snow, or heat. Super easy. Just plug in, stick the sensors where you want, and forget about it. No Wi-Fi, no apps, no false alarms. Just pure, reliable protection for your driveway, garage, or backyard. Finally, you'll know who's coming before they even get close. Number 5. Pickup Tool. Say goodbye to those frustrating moments. This makes retrieving lost pieces effortless. It extends, bends, and lights up, letting you grab screws, bolts, or small tools from dark, tricky spots under your car, behind furniture, or even deep inside engines. Compact, tough, and pocket-ready with a bright LED, this little gadget is a must-have for anyone who fixes, builds, or just hates losing things. Problem solved, fast and easy. Number 4. Cell phone stand. Struggling to watch videos on your phone while juggling weak sound? The Bluetooth speaker with a detachable phone stand fixes that in seconds. Pop your phone in, adjust the angle, and you've got hands-free viewing with clear, powerful stereo sound. Bonus, it even has white noise modes for sleeping or focusing. Perfect for home, outdoors, gaming, or FaceTime. One simple gadget that makes your everyday phone time smarter and more fun. Number 3. RAK Multitool Pen. Looks like a regular pen, but this little guy is a full toolbox in your pocket. Need a screwdriver? Got it! Quick measure? It's got a ruler. Bottle opener, stylus, level, everything you need, all in one. Solid metal build, smooth to write with, and genuinely handy. This pen doesn't just sit around, it actually gets stuff done. Perfect for home projects, office fixes, car emergencies, or as a clever gift. One pen, endless possibilities. Number 2. Cinlinso LED Flashlight. Lights out? No worries. The Cinlinso LED Flashlight blasts out so much brightness, it can practically turn night into day. Perfect for camping, late-night walks, road trips, or any emergency. Want to focus on something far away? Zoom in. It's ready for whatever comes your way. Recharge it once and it'll last all night. Rain, snow, mud, doesn't matter. Tough, reliable, and built like a tank, this flashlight isn't just gear, it's peace of mind you can hold. Number 1. The Contour Gauge. We've all been there. You're trying to cut a piece of flooring or trim around a weirdly shaped pipe. You guesstimate the curve and boom! You've just wasted a perfectly good piece of material. This connectable contour gauge is the fix for that. It's dead simple to use. Just press it against the shape, lock the pins in place and trace. No more measure twice, cut once and hope for the best. Which one would you actually use? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I'm curious to see what caught your eye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Your next favorite tool might be just a click away.